SVJ. Look at that thing. Look at this thing. Amazing. On some BBSs. Look how dirty this thing is. Wait, don't scare them, twin. Drive calm. Drive carefully. Oh, you're lying. Just like twin, those downpipes sound kind of crazy. Oh, I saved your nuggets with my nuggets. I think I'm gonna post you up against a Trofeo. Is that a good video? Just for audio anyways, right? There you go. Good. We're out here recording some rollers. All right, so we made it to the crib. We got some interesting vehicles here, including this one. We're driving a slightly modded out M2. His looks amazing on some BBSs with a bunch of exposed carbon everywhere. This thing is sexy. And this guy's even younger than me, he's 15. So if he thought this was crazy, you know, it's only gonna get worse. We have this Technica over here, exposed carbon, slammed on its nuts with white wheels. Look at this thing, this is crazy. And then a pink Taycan, it's electric. We don't really want to talk about that one. This piece of shit, we're not even gonna mention that one. A white Urus Perf. This thing is beautiful. I love this spec. This is one of my favorite cars they have here for sure. This one's kind of a bot car. I mean, if they had some mods, you know, it'd be better. But it's a 911, so it's fine. We're not gonna complain. Hello, sir. This is the M2 owner. Nice to meet you. Good. We have the bubble over here. You might be asking, what's in the bubble? It's the big boy, the SVJ. Look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful. This one doesn't get to see the light of day though. It stays in here forever. Oh my god, this thing sounds gnarly. What did you do again?
Mid pipe and then callus downpipe.
Yeah, the proof in the trunk, he said, right? Oh, fake quiet play user. Oh my goodness. This is a nice automobile though, sir. Incredible. I was hoping I could get a ride in this monster right here. Oh my goodness. This is my uncle. Unc. This is actually the owner of the Urus over here. These are the siblings. You guys haven't met them, but you will, hopefully soon. Unc, go ahead and bless us. Go ahead and bless our ears, Unc. Oh my god. What? All right, we've arrived.
Chick-fil-A.
We're about to get some eats. Chicken McDip.
Eat chicken. Oh, that ass did a loop test or no, that's the only way to go. No, it's not.
Oh, Unc actually just wanted to flex. Genuinely, what do we do? All right, so we got the little order. We got
the little order.
Hella nuggets. Hella nuggies.
We got 12 times 3. Who can do the math?
How much is that?
10, 20, 30, 36.
Woo! That was tough. He's passing middle school. Minecraft. Wait, don't scare them, twin. Drive calm. Drive carefully. Oh, you're lying, twin. Oh my god. The horse. Oh my god.
The horse is like twin. Those downpipes sound kind of crazy.
Jesus Christ. I was about to say something, dude. Fuck.
Bro, these pops are actually...
You discombobulated me, twin. We've arrived, twin. Look at the bot car again. Oh, I just saved your nuggets with my nuggets. I just realized I'm gonna leave the gang real quick, but look how dirty this thing is. Holy f***, Unc, wash your car. Jesus Christ. You seen that piece of shit?
Oh, I was watching.
Where the f*** does he drive? Some bullshit. Oh, wow. All right, we're locked in with the meal of the day. It's time to go simple here. A little chicken sandwich, the #1 on the menu. We got some grilled nuggets. Give me a review of those, twin. Bottom 3 reviews of all time. What about you?
10 out of 10.
What about you?
Pretty mid.
Pretty mid? What about you? All right, look at this. Look at this sandwich. It just makes me want to turn it around and... Real review. We got... Ooh, look at that. Crisp bun. Look at that. Listen to this bun.
It's a dry bun.
We dissect it here. Oh, it's kind of stuck. Oh.
You know what else is stuck? The milk. The milk is stuck.
Is this meant to happen? Oh shit. That chicken looks pretty good actually. Come on, dude. Tomatoes, some
Fucking
lettuce,
tomato nader.
some pickles.
The fucking McPickle pounder.
Reconstruct the burger here.
How do we not get Chick-fil-A fries?
I don't know. Actually, we sold. Yes, Chris. Yes.
Helping my mom?
Juicy ass chicken.
Okay.
Honestly, that might be one of the better Chick-fil-A sandwiches I've had in my life. If you're from somewhere where you don't got Chick-fil-A,
Gave me a goddamn lily pad. God.
you're kind of selling to, and you might want to move to America. It's just a lettuce burger. All right, we're about to jump this man. I'm slapping my meat on your door. Oh, holy fuck, you're like Batman in here. No lights or anything. Twin, where the fuck do you sleep?
Batman doesn't sleep.
Oh, you're right, Twin. I didn't think of it like that. Do you have just a whole thing of juice in here?
We do? Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we're trading Doritos, Twin.
Dorito chips.
Honestly, pretty uneventful day, but that is kind of the name of the video. But again, man, look at these things. Oh my God, so sexy. I still can't get over the chrome wheels. I want chrome wheels on my car.
See ya, bro.
Good night,
Till
Salam.
next time.
Till next time. Let's get some downshifts in here. Hold on, some sound. Some burbles. Also another thing that's in America. Holy big truck, dude. Oh, here we go, hold on. So, that was the average day of a 17-year-old in America. I mean, it wasn't much, but you know, you are watching the average day. But I hope you guys enjoyed meeting me. I enjoyed meeting you all for sure. I hope you can make more memories. Yeah, y'all be easy. Y'all be safe. Oops. All right. Future Julio here. I've been editing this video for, I shit you not, like 3 weeks. This has been the most miserable experience I ever had. If you don't leave a like, I hope you have a pimple on the inside of your ass cheek.